Hello and welcome to TiElogues. And today we are speaking to Aditya Bhatia of Orangewood Labs. Welcome, Aditya. AI is the new buzzword. Tell us how your robotic arms are using the new age technologies to make operations easier for clients and various companies.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for having me. We are building robotic arms for small to medium-sized businesses, and number one problem with robotics and automation is affordability, and affordability comes in two factors. First is the cost, and the second is programming. What we are doing is we have built our latest feature called RoboGPT, where anyone on the planet can program the robots using natural language. It could be text and it could be an audio command. So it's that easy. It's like talking to a computer, just like sci-fi.
Okay, great. So essentially, when you started out, you were focused on the furniture sector. So,
Yes.
are you tell us which sectors are you covering now? Because we recently concluded India Internet Day, which was themed around AI, and all the sectors are in a rush to adopt to newer AI technologies. So, tell us which all sectors are you servicing?
Yeah, so that's correct. We started with furniture and we realized that many of the processes are similar to different industries. So, for example, if I speak about the finishing in furniture, it's pretty much similar to automation. I'm sorry, automobile industry, like spray painting, powder coating, even buffing and sanding. So we are focusing on three industries at the moment: pick and place, visual inspection, um, spray painting or powder coating, and then there are also a couple of food applications that we're focusing on.
So tell us about your key market areas. Are you largely in India? Do you have an international footprint? What's the
Yes.
plan and what's the roadmap like there?
Yes, yes. Our target market is the US. We have few customers there, and we're getting good response from the US as well as India. We got few deployments in India, and then we are going to start some more deployments in the US in the coming weeks.
Okay. So tell us the impact of AI. You're already in the robotic space, but how is AI driving the change there and what kind of impact are you seeing?
Well, the way I see things is definitely interesting and challenging. What so when we started building robots and when we started observing the trends, uh, the, the major challenge lies in the accessibility. AI is reducing that gap between the general public and the machines. With Robot GPT, we are able to reduce the programming time. So if I give an example, even a simple program on a robotic arm takes few hours to few days. With RoboGPT and AI, we are able to reduce that programming time to few seconds or even few lines of sentences, not even code.
Wow, great.
Other than that, we are exploring RoboGPT with spray painting. In fact, we did a trial at our customer a few weeks ago. The results were good, and we're planning to take this forward. Along with that, we're also exploring multiple robots with RoboGPT. Uh, so, 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 for example, there are few projects which involves multiple robots. For example, kitting. So what robot GPT will do is you just give the command, robot will plan the plan of action, and then they'll sort that task all by themselves.
Oh, great. So if you had to put some numbers, that how the operating cost is lower, is becoming more efficient, by what percentage do you think, for example, in the furniture building sector, by what percentage do you think the operating cost and the operating time is coming down, using your robotic arms?
Marginally, I would say. Reason being, to get a robotics programmer, even in India, costs around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per day. If if the programming time is less, people or the factory owners will be able to iterate faster, and the involvement for a robotic programmer will be way more lesser. And the good part is the worker on the line and the robotics programmer can work on more creative things. The idea is to give robot and consciousness towards environment. Voice is a way of interacting with the robot, but the bigger game is when robots are alive and they're able to sense what is happening around them. That's what makes them super smart.
Getting as close as to being humans.
Yeah.
Aditya, you've been associated with Delhi NCR for some time. Share your thoughts on this association. How has it helped you in your entrepreneurial journey?
Yes. We got few customers from Delhi, by the way.
Oh, that's great.
And I also attended Thai event in Silicon Valley. The networking is great. I got to meet amazing people, and it helped me expand my knowledge horizon. So it's been a quite interesting collaboration.
Thanks so much for your time, Aditya. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Likewise.